This is a 2010 BMW X5. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 4.8-liter V8, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, X-Drive, cornering lights, adaptive brake lights, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, xenon headlights, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: 18-inch alloy wheels, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, interior wood trim accents, BMW individual composition, front and rear floor mats, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 38,000 miles. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.